So we're pissing my ear. We got this from Walmart. But there's the dog. Girl, cause don't step on my shoes.
Boy.
This is my aunt, by the way. Brittany. Whoa. Auntie Brittany, do it quick.
I just push it, right?
Yeah, don't do it hard though, but just do it quick.
When I count to 3. When I say 1, when
don't even count to 3. Just do it. Just do it.
Just do a deep breath and it's gonna be done.
I'm scared. Go. Auntie Brittany, wait, line it up. Make sure it's lined up.
Can you let me do it?
Yeah.
You just wanna get all scared. You ready?
Yeah, I hope you got it lined up.
It is crazy.
Just go.
You ready? 1.
Don't count. I just told you not to count.
Okay, well, I mean, when do you not want me to give you no?
Don't count. Just go.
Just do it. Like, pow, get it over
Don't
with.
foul it. Just push it in.
Okay, yeah. So all you gotta do is breathe, take a deep breath.
Just go. It's just like a shot.
So you said don't count.
I just said line it up and then just do it when you got it lined up. Auntie Brittany.
So don't give you no signal.
Don't be piercing it wrong.
I'm not, damn. Let a bitch breathe.
The floor of the door.
Well, can a bitch get a pillow?
Can you see?
Ready?
You still talking to me. It ain't even in there.
It is too.
It can't be.
Did you feel it?
Auntie Brittany. Is it in there?
How you take it out?
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Wait. It can't be in there.
It ain't go in there, Black.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Ah! Yeah. She messed up, y'all.
I did it.
Auntie Brittany, when you push it all the way in like that.
I did. Is the thing in here right?
Yes. I'm thinking it's over. You gotta push that all the way in.
I did it.
Don't push it no more. Just come on.
You ready?
Auntie Brittany, you still telling me and shit.
No.
12 seconds later.
Oh my God. Oh shit.
It's in there.
It is? Auntie Brittany, don't pull it.
I'm trying to get it out.
You gotta bring it down so that back piece can come out with it.
Okay.
You bring it down?
Yeah.
Big boy down.
Oh my God, she did. 3 tries later.
Boy.
Let me see how it look. It look the same as this one.
You know what I'm saying? Shawty, go
Is it
hard.
bleeding?
Concrete. No, it's not. Nope, you're not bleeding.
2 ring shorty, period.
If I live, if your man hit me up,
Boy. It's in there.
It's really in. It ain't even hurt.
We did that.
That's the end. I need a drink after that.
Boy. Look at yours over here.
A real drink. That's the end of this video. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful
blessings.
time.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.